Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce to derive the how to derive the sine a plus b. That is very important formula for trigonometry. So first of all we have to draw this figure. Now you can see that the sine a plus b equals to here the sine a plus b. So you can see that C and CM is the perpendicular and OM is the base. So perpendicular by and the OC is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is called sine theta. So theta here a plus b. So CM upon OC equals to sine a plus b. So now we can write CM as CR plus CM, CR plus RM. So CR plus RM divided by OC. You can separate it like CR plus RM OC. Okay. Again, by the angle of triangle rule, this angle is also called angle. This angle is A. According to this angle equals to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So this angle is A also. So we can write here for CR upon OC plus RM divided by OC, and now I am going to multiply by CN divided by CN plus again I am going to Rn by OC and Q ON into ON into Rm divided by OC into ON divided by ON. So we can write it as CR by CN into CN by OC plus here you can see that Rm equals to NQ. So we can write NQ divided by OC, NQ divided by ON, and ON and ON divided by OC. From the angle we can see that CR by CN equals to cos A, CR by CN, here this is base and this is hypotenuse. So CR by CN is cos A, and here now you can see that CN is perpendicular and CB and OC is the base, OC is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine b. So here sine b and plus nq by on, nq by o, nq by o, nq by on. Here you can see sine a, q by 1 sine a and into on by oc, on by oc, on by oc. So on by oc equals to cos b, So from here you can see that sine a plus b equals to sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Okay, thank you.